the Euro 6 will be a truck for those who are looking more to sustainability. It doesn't only benefit the customer, it also benefits the environment.
For every transport requirement, there will be a solution. Volvo has a solution. There is AdBlue or /urea that is injected into the after-treatment system, and it's a more cleaner, sustainable transport solution.
The aim of bringing Euro 6 into South Africa is to contribute to the reduction of the harmful emissions and improve air quality and overall quality of human health.